In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Pandadoc template. Start by opening Pandadoc and looking at the left-hand navigation menu, Find Templates, and click it. This is where you will manage and build reusable documents. Once you are on the Templates page, click the plus template button. This begins the template creation process and takes you into the setup flow. Next, select Template. In Pandadoc, you can start from scratch or base your new template on an existing one. If you already have a document that is close to what you need, using an existing template can save time and keep your branding consistent. Choose the option that best matches your goal, then continue into the editor where you will place your content and fields. Now it is time to set up roles, which determine who will fill out or sign parts of the document. On the right sidebar, click Manage Roles. In the role name field, type a clear role name such as Signer, then click Create Role. Using simple, descriptive role names helps later when you assign fields, especially if your template will be used by a team or sent to different recipients. With your role created, you can start building the document layout. On the right sidebar, locate the text block element. Drag the text block onto the page where you want your written content to appear. Use text blocks for instructions, terms, headings, or any information your recipient needs to read. Place it carefully so the template looks clean and professional, and leave enough spacing around areas that will need input or signatures. Finally, add the signature area. On the right sidebar, find the signature field and drag it onto the page in the correct signing location. After you place it, make sure the signature field is assigned to the role you created. This assignment is important because it tells Pandadoc which recipient is responsible for signing in that exact spot. If the role is not set correctly, the document may not route signatures as expected. Once your text and signature field are in place and assigned, your basic Pandadoc template structure is ready. That covers everything you need to know.